Hi, everybody. It's meteorologist Joe Chaffee on this Tuesday morning, and I'm just going to do a little quick video here with regards to what's happening with some heavy downpours and thunderstorms that have developed on the radar this morning across southern New Jersey, and you can see them here. They are in and around Atlantic City, and then extend westward from there back through Philadelphia. I've been told by young Mike Felt, who's an aspiring meteorologist, that I talked to from time to time in the Philadelphia area. He said that the lightning this morning was he described it as epic. So I'll temper that a little bit and just say that there was probably some very interesting lightning displays going on. And this kind of stuff does happen sometimes ahead of warm fronts. So you got very warm tropical air trying to come up, and the stubborn marine layer creating a pretty strong zone for development here and lift in the atmosphere, and that's precisely what we're seeing. We also have some other downpours and thunderstorms back in and around the Washington, D.C. area and extending westward from there. So this is all part of what is this low pressure area, and I'll just widen out a little bit on the surface map, and you can see it here. There's low pressure that's moving out of Ohio and into southern Pennsylvania, and you've got this warm front. So you've got these two areas of rain that are coming up. So I'll show you just real fast on the satellite loop here what it looks like. And there's that comma-shaped swirl here. By the way, this is that gale center that's out in the Atlantic that's moving away to the northeast. This is not becoming anything subtropical. It's just way too early for that. You can see a lot of the convection is running out to the northeast. There's a low-level swirl back to the southwest of the center. So this is not going to do anything of consequence. So I know a few people were had their eyebrows raised a little bit by it, but not at the end of March. And here we have that system up in the east that's moving along. Here's the perspective on the radar. I'm not expecting any severe weather out of this, but sometimes these warm frontal thunderstorms can be a lot of fun as they move on up. They tend to produce some vivid lightning displays often enough. So at least with respect to the New York area, I just want to show you in the New York, New Jersey area out of this that this could be a 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch rain producer, and I wouldn't be surprised to see some local amounts up to an inch. But you notice that there is variability here in all of this, and we'll show you on the surface map on how it plays out for today, so you can plan this out. You can get those storms. It doesn't rain all the time, but there looks like there's a concentration of storms that approaches New York and downpours that approaches New York City around 11 a.m. A little bit, not much of a break in Philadelphia as the next surge comes in for this afternoon, and then that area carries itself through with low pressure moving off the New Jersey coast this evening, and it still has it raining in and around the New York City, Long Island, Connecticut area right past 11 o'clock till midnight before weather conditions finally improve after that, and we set up for a nice Wednesday and Thursday. So I just did this sort of real quick here in terms of the video. Just wanted to just give you an idea of what's going on this morning into this afternoon, and I'll have a longer weather video up a little bit later on today. So check out latest posts on meteorologistjoechaffee.com, and of course you can get the latest weather. Specific weather forecast for New York, New York City, New Jersey, Long Island, Connecticut, and the Hudson Valley, and Eastern Pennsylvania on my weather app, and you can click on the link above and download it and subscribe. It's just 99 cents a month. The download is free. The subscription is just 99 cents a month, and the forecasts are zone specific, so you'll get them tailored to your particular area. And just in time for the end, the Kovu, the weather cat, came by to say hello. So going to go say goodbye now because I'm going to do another weather tape later today. Okay? I'll call you when it's time. All right? Have a good day, folks.